Okay, so you want to know how to remove a deadbolt, right? We'll show you how. Doesn't matter if it's locked at first, because you're gonna have to move it one way or. But there's a screw here and a screw over here on this side. And you might have to lock it or unlock it to get to the other screw. Or bolt rather. Get those out. You've got the guts in there. But you're gonna open your door. Oops, we forgot to unlock it. So just turn that little knob in there to unlock it if you need to. Take the other side off from the outside. And then there's two screws right here. We're just gonna remove those. There you go. And then put your finger in there, push that out, take it out, and there you go. Remove your deadbolt from your door. We'll put a video right up there for how to install a new deadbolt. If you need help, I'm just saying.